Hello friends, today we discuss about machines. Here there are two terms, language and grammar. Basically what is language? Language is a set of strings, right? We had already seen that with the help of strings we design an automata. For an example, if you have two inputs A and B and your question is design an automata which accepts inputs of even length, right? So even length, then the set of strings are either null, the length of this is 0, AA, the length of AA is 2 which is even, AB and so on. It is an infinite language. So this is a language, right? What is grammar? Grammar is a generator for any language, or you can say grammar is a generator for a set of strings. We will discuss later that grammar may be ambiguous or unambiguous. We will talk about later, right? Now, after language and grammar, the important part is about languages, grammar and automata, acceptor, right? So first language is regular language. Regular language is accepted by finite automata, and we had already read about in previous videos what is finite automata and what are the types of finite automata and so on. And the generator of regular language is regular grammar. Okay, so this is the generator and this is the acceptor. Finite automata basically accepts regular languages or accepts the set of strings, and regular grammar generates regular language. Don't worry if you are not understand properly, we will discuss in later videos one by one. Now the second is context free language. Context free language is accepted by PDA, which is push down automata, and we will discuss about later that PDA has two types, deterministic and non-deterministic, right? So PDA, which is push down automata, and the generator of context free language is context free grammar, right? So it is context free grammar. By this, context free languages are generated. And the third one is context sensitive language. Acceptor of context sensitive language is linear bounded automata. These are the acceptors which accept all the set of strings which are context sensitive language, right? So this is linear bounded automata. And the generator of context sensitive language is context sensitive grammar. So the generator of context sensitive language is context sensitive grammar. And the last language is recursive enumerable set, or you can say recursively enumerable languages. The acceptor of recursive enumerable is unrestricted grammars. Basically not acceptor, these are the generators. Recursively enumerable languages are accepted by Turing machines. Okay, so Turing machines are the acceptors of recursively enumerable sets, and the generator of recursively enumerable is unrestricted grammar. And this is recursively enumerable. Okay, so these are the four languages, and we will discuss about later one by one each language. Okay, and yes, for gate point of view, this is important. This is also important. Context sensitive language is not much more important, but yes, and the Turing machine is also important.